Ever wondered how to stay fashionable during pregnancy? Well, you're not alone. The journey to motherhood is an exciting one, filled with joy, anticipation, and yes, a touch of style-related anxiety. But fear not, because today we're diving into a treasure trove of practical and easy-to-follow fashion tips for expectant mothers. First on our list is embracing the empire waistline. This classic style is not only comfortable, but it also highlights the slimmest part of your torso and allows room for your growing baby bump. It's a winning combination of style and comfort. Next, consider investing in a good pair of maternity jeans. Look for ones with a stretchy waistband that can adjust as you grow. Not only will they be your best friend for casual outings, but they can easily be dressed up with a nice blouse or a blazer. Third, don't shy away from bold patterns and colours. They can add an element of fun to your maternity wardrobe and can help to distract from any areas you might be self-conscious about. Stripes, polka dots, florals, the world is your oyster. Fourth, accessorize wisely. Long necklaces and scarves can elongate your silhouette and make you look leaner. Statement earrings or a bold lip can draw attention to your face and away from your belly if you're feeling a little self-conscious. Fifth, invest in comfortable shoes. Your feet might swell during pregnancy, so opt for flats, sandals or sneakers that offer plenty of support and room for expansion. Now, on to what to avoid. Oversized clothes can make you look larger than you are, so only go up a size if you absolutely need to. Also, avoid synthetic materials as they can make you feel hot and uncomfortable. Stick to breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. Lastly, remember, confidence is the best accessory. Pregnancy is a beautiful journey, and every expecting mother deserves to feel comfortable, confident, and chic. To summarize, embrace the empire waistline, invest in a good pair of maternity jeans, don't shy away from bold patterns and colors, accessorize wisely, and invest in comfortable shoes. Avoid oversized clothes and synthetic materials, and most importantly, wear your confidence with pride. So the next time you're standing in front of your wardrobe, remember these tips. They'll help you navigate your pregnancy journey with style and grace. And remember, fashion is about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to experiment and let your personality shine. After all, there's no one-size-fits-all rule to fashion, especially when it comes to pregnancy. Embrace the journey, dress for comfort, and let your inner fashionista shine.